Do you have a lot of credit card debt and you're trying to boost your credit score? My name is Ryan Alexander from I Teach Credit. I'm going to show you how I boosted this guy's credit score 145 points in less than 60 days. Check this out. November 4th, this guy reached out to me. He had a 575 score, and now you can see January 23rd, his score is 724, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. When I first met him, he pretty much had all these cards all having a balance on them. So the first thing I did was to say, take every single one of these cards and pay them off to zero. And he says, well, I don't have any money, but we'll fix that. What we did is we went to SoFi, took out a personal loan, and transferred all of his credit card debt into a personal loan that is now going to be paid over the course of time. And what's awesome about this is, simply by moving the credit card debt into a loan, you lower the risk factor, lower the utilization. That boosts up the credit score on top of adding an additional payment per month, which is going to also build and boost his credit score. That's all you have to do, is understanding how the algorithm works, knowing what to do with your debt, how to properly pay it, which cards to properly pay and when, and knowing how to properly manage your credit card reporting date. If you want to learn more, make sure you join 700 Credit Class or send me a message. Check out the link in my profile.